Well, I received my pistol laser in the mail today, or actually Amazon delivered it. It's the SMS laser for your Picatinny mount on almost all pistols. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. I've got to activate your warranty, Allen wrenches that you need for mounting, charging cable. It charges with a magnet touched to the laser from what I observed when I purchased it. So yeah, that's right. Let's see. The laser itself, a little bitty thing. That's what I wanted, is low profile. So on-off switch is right here at the back. And it charges with just a magnetic connection right there. So let's see what I got to do to mount this thing. Let's see, I'm going to be mounting it on my Smith & Wesson SD40. It's got a rail mount on the front. So, and it's obviously, I've cleared it, unloaded. Obviously, you need an Allen wrench to undo it or loosen it up to get it on. This is my first gadget review, first unboxing and videotape of anything. So bear with me. You can make fun of me in the comments if you want to. I can't even open this bag. So there we go. Let's see. That's not it. It's the big one. Yep. Loosen it up. Just loosen it with the Allen wrench. And I'm going to slide it on. It's on there. And we'll just tighten it up. With the Allen wrench right here. Pretty simple installation. And you got the push button on both sides. You can activate it with your finger, either right or left-handed. It's got one on each side. I'll do a close-up of these. So there we go. It's all mounted. And it's on there really good with that one screw. So that may be a backup screw. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to put a link to this down at the bottom of the description for you, where you can get this laser. It's really nice and it's not that expensive. So I'll be doing a review on it after I use it a few times. So watch out for that. Thank you and have a good day, and please subscribe and comment. Here's a close-up of it. You got the button here, and you got it here, and you've got your vertical adjustment for your laser when you set it in here, and your horizontal is here. And you just, I'm right-handed, so simple on-off right there, and you're good to go. And the charger connects right there. Simple as that. And you got your USB in to plug it. So once you have that, good and charged, you're good to go. It came charged already, but I'm going to put it on the charger, and fits really snug, and I'm looking forward to using it. Again, please subscribe and comment, like, follow, whatever you want to do. Thank you.